Good morning, Furman. Hi, everybody. If you guys don't know me, my name is Becca Colehower. I'm a sophomore at Furman, and I'm living in DC this semester on study away, and I'm just going to show you guys what it's like to live and learn and be an intern in DC this semester. So stay tuned for my Snapchat story. I'm going to be here all day. Okay guys, so our main focus on the DC program is our internships. We go there every day, Monday through Thursday, all day. I'm on my way there now. Got to be there at 9, dressed and ready to go around 8:30. So I'm walking there now. I walk there every morning. It's like a 30-minute walk. So join me on my walk and I'll show you guys where I work. As you guys probably already know, DC is a very professional, work-oriented city. You can see all the people walking to work this morning. It's usually pretty crowded with walkers and commuters. Great place, everyone's getting to work. Okay guys, so for those of you who are like, where are we going? Where do you work? I'll show you guys. That's right, everybody. We're going to the US Capitol. To be more specific, the House of Representatives, the hustle and bustle of DC. Don't at me, Senate people. That's where we're going, the House today. Can't wait to show you guys. All right, guys, here we are. Here's the Capitol in all of its glory. This is the Senate side. Over here is the House side. That's where we're going. So let's go inside. Okay, guys, so now that we've arrived, the first step, obviously, is to go get some coffee. So we are going in these creepy-looking tunnels to go and find some coffee. Where do you think we're gonna go? Hey guys, so we are in a house side tunnel right now. We got some cool artwork on the walls. The reason that we have these tunnels is because not every member of Congress's office is in the main Capitol building, surprisingly enough. They don't all fit. And so they have offices in office buildings around the Capitol complex, and they need to have tunnels to get to their buildings from the main Capitol building when they come to vote and do stuff like that. And so they have these underground tunnels so they don't have to go outside. Okay guys, so we made it. We're going to the Longworth House office building, and we're going to this office building because they have Dunkin' Donuts. Here we are at Dunkin' Donuts. Even members of Congress need their coffee. Got a morning rush, good long line, waiting to get our Dunkin' Donuts. Hey guys, so one of the most, if not the most important job of a congressional intern is to give Capitol tours, so I thought that I would take you guys on a few tour spots. Okay guys, so like I said, that part of the Capitol is called the Crypt, and it is called the Crypt because it's directly underneath the Rotunda of the Capitol, and it was intended to be George Washington's original burial space. Does anyone know where he's buried now? Swipe up and tell me if you know where George Washington is buried. So that is the Rotunda, and the Rotunda is like the middle main part of the Capitol, the biggest tourist attraction. We have a lot of big cool things happening there. And there's paintings, and there's the dome, and there's president statues, and it is the main attraction of the Capitol. Alright guys, so this room is called National Statuary Hall, and it's because we have a bunch of statues in here. Every state can have 2 statues in the Capitol representing someone important who did something good for their state, and this is where a lot of the statues hang out. They hang out here because this room is kind of a multi-purpose room. It used to be formerly the House floor, which it is not anymore because the House outgrew it, and we have another House floor that's big enough for everyone. And so this is National Statuary Hall. Okay guys, so we're about to go and see, hopefully, the best and final view of a Capitol tour, which is the Speaker's balcony. So Speaker of the House is Paul Ryan, if you guys didn't know, and we're gonna go and ask if we can get on his balcony, which is this beautiful balcony. It has the best view of the entire District of Washington, so we're gonna go try and get on. Guys, we made it, they let us on, and I just wanna show you guys this awesome view. Look at that. Alright guys, so that's the end of my tour for today. Thanks for watching my tour, and I'll check back in with you guys after work to show you a little bit more DC living. Hi guys! Okay, so one of the best parts about living in DC is that Furman has such a strong alumni presence, including one of my new besties, Anna Knight.
Hi everybody!
Anna Knight is great, and so Anna Knight's going to tell us a little bit about what she does in DC.
Oh, okay, so I work for the Senate Foreign Relations Committee with Senator Bob Corker. He's from Tennessee, and I'm a staff assistant, and I handle the hearings coordination. Yeah.
So Anna, when did you graduate from Furman?
May 2017. If you're still watching the Furman Snapchat like I am, a year after you graduated, go Dens!
Go Dens! Alright guys, so we're calling it a day at work, but DC is definitely not all work and no play. We're about to go back to my apartment and show you guys what it looks like, and then we're gonna go out to dinner with some friends, so stay tuned. What's up guys? It's time to go and eat dinner. We're outside our apartment complex. We're with 3 fellow Furmanites here. We got Shannon Short and Sabrina Roof, and we got Hannah Warren here, and we're about to go eat some really good Indian food. Hi guys! So I'm out to dinner with all my friends from Furman, and we've all been talking about what we did today at our internships because we all have such different internships. So we're going to talk to everybody about what their internship is like. Sabrina, where's your internship at?
I am interning at Healthsperiod.
What's Healthsperiod?
It is a healthcare consulting firm.
Cool. Shannon, where's your internship at?
I am an enforcement intern at the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission.
Cool. Hannah, where's your internship at?
I work with you, Becca.
Me and Hannah interned together at the House of Representatives, which is awesome. Go House, go Congress.
Hey, kitty. Hi. Hi, kitty.
Ah! Hey guys, so we're in my apartment right now, so I'm going to give you guys a little view of my room. This is my bed. We got some pictures of my good old Furman friends, thanks to you guys. Some really cool stuff, just pictures and my little desk and some books. I got a great little apartment here, and here's my only friend, Hannah Warren. Thanks everybody for watching. We had a great day in DC today. We're signing off. I miss all my dins here at Furman, so live it up the rest of the semester for us. Bye.